In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an uploaded PDF on Canva. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Canva's official website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage and all set, we're going to create a new design. Look over at the top right corner and you'll notice a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. Now from the options that appear, select Upload. What we're doing here is preparing Canva to receive the PDF you eventually want to edit. After clicking on Upload, you'll see another option named Upload Files. This is your gateway to bring your PDF file into Canva. Click on it and it'll prompt you to select the PDF file from your computer. Navigate through your files, select the PDF you wish to work on, and let it upload. After the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear in your Canva Upload section. Click on the file and it should open up the contents of your PDF in a new editor window. You'll see a document view that lays out the pages of your PDF for easy access. Now this is where the fun begins because you have full editing control. From changing text, updating images, to even adding new elements, Canva provides a plethora of editing tools that are at your disposal here. If this is your first time editing a PDF on Canva, you'll want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the range of options available on the toolbar. Do not worry, the interface is pretty intuitive and lends itself to a seamless and comprehensive editing experience. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to click on the Share button. This button is typically located towards the upper right part of your editor screen. Click Share, and then our next move will be to download the newly edited PDF. Click the Download button. Doing so brings up some options for your download preferences. You'll need to choose your preferred file type. In this case, we're sticking to the PDF format. Look for the PDF Standard option and click on that to ensure high quality and compatibility when printed or shared. Finally, click on Download again to save the edited version of your PDF to your computer. And there you have it, you've successfully edited a PDF in Canva. This method is not only easy, but offers flexibility with editing documents you might have thought were set in stone. Keep practicing, experiment with Canva's tools, and before you know it, you'll be enhancing and editing PDFs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.